Hey friends, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Warrior Classes. Today in this video we will be discussing about solving of quadratic equations by quadratic formula. And in this video we will be discussing about the formula of quadratic equation, and next what are the steps to take out the value of quadratic equations by formula method. And next is solving of quadratic equation problem by formula basis. If still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and support my videos so that I can bring more informative videos for you. So friend, in the first part, the formula of quadratic equations. This is very much important formula. Sometimes it is x and in some of the cases it may be y or z or anything. So friend, the formula of quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus and minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is a very much important formula. You should always remember this formula to take out the value of quadratic equations. Now solving of quadratic equations by quadratic formula. Now we will also discuss about what are the steps we will take. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus in the bracket b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What are the steps we will take? We will know by taking an example. Let's take an example of 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So our first step will be to transform the equation in standardized formation. Standardized formations, we know what is the standardized formation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here we will have to take out the value of a, b and c. So our next step will be to take out the value of a, b and c. One thing to remember, the value of a, b, c, whether it is given in positive or negative, we will write as given in the equations. Whether it is given in positive or in negative, we will put accordingly. We can take the value of a is equal to 2, the value of b is equal to minus 7 and the value of c is 3. And after that, we will have to take out the value of b square minus 4ac. And it should be positive. We should know the value of b square minus 4ac. Our third step will be to take out the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, and it should not be less than 0. It should always be greater than or equal to 0. Because if the value of b square minus 4ac is negative, we cannot take out the value of negative under root. So it is given in under root of b square minus 4ac. So if the value of b square minus 4ac comes less than 0 or negative value, we cannot take out its square root. So our next step will be to take the value of b square minus 4ac. If the value of it is greater than or equal to 0, then we will go ahead. Otherwise it does not exist. Now we will calculate b square minus 4ac value. Now we will put the value of b, that is minus 7 square minus 4, the value of a is 2, the value of c is 3. So that is minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 49 minus 24, that is 25. So it is greater than 0. So we can go ahead. Now our fourth step will be to use the formula. Of quadratic equations. So we know the formula of quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus in the bracket b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we write the value of minus b minus the value of b is minus 7 plus minus we have calculated the value of b square minus 4ac we have calculated is 25. We'll write 25 here, and that is divided by 2, and the value of a is 2. Now we'll write it here, that is minus plus 7 plus minus under root 25, that is 5, 2 to the 4. So friend, here once we will take positive value and in the next we will take negative value. So we can write 7 plus 5 divided by 4, and again 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So here one time we have taken positive and in the next we have taken negative. Here 7 plus 5, 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Here the value of x is 3, and here 7 minus 5, 2 divided by 4, 2 to the 4, that is 1 by 2. So the value of x we have calculated is 3 and 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2. So friend, these are the steps to take out the value of x or quadratic equations by formula. Now let's solve one more question. So friend, here the question is given 4y square. In place of x, here y is given 4y square plus 12y is equal to minus 9. So our first step is to convert the equation in the standardized formations. So we will write 4y square plus 12y, here minus 9 will be this side, plus 9 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is, that is coefficient of y square, that is 4. The value of b is 12, and the value of c is 9. From here we can take out the value of b square minus 4ac. Now in place of b we will write 12 square minus 4 multiplied by the value of a is 4 and the value of c is 9. 12 square, 12 12 is 144 minus 4 4 is 16, 16 9 is 144 is equal to 0. Now we know the formula of quadratic equation, that is here in place of x it is y. The value of y will be minus b plus minus under root plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here the value of b is 12 and minus b will be minus 12 plus minus, we know the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 0. Here we have calculated it, and divided by 2a. 2, the value of a is 4. Now it is minus 12, it is 0, and 2 4 is 8. We let 2 multiplied by 4 because it will be easy to cancel the value. 4 3 is 12. Now it is minus 3 by 2. So from here the value of quadratic equation, that is y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So friend, how many videos? Please give your comment in comment box, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.